What if you could spot electrical variations and anomalies, or critical potential problems like overheating or overloading the moment they happen, not after the fact? Today, we're introducing the L400 Series data loggers from AEMC Instruments, a versatile lineup of compact, portable recorders built for industrial maintenance, energy management, and electrical fault detection. Designed with real-world work in mind, these ergonomic instruments make it fast and easy to capture data, helping you analyze, troubleshoot, and optimize system performance wherever you might need it. Let's get a look at each of the models. The L400 series includes 3 dedicated instruments, each engineered for specific monitoring applications. The L411 is a current recorder with an integral MiniFlex sensor, a cost-effective solution for monitoring feeders, lines, or electrical circuits. The L412 is a 2-channel current recorder designed for simultaneous measurement of 2 circuits. And the L461 is a voltage recorder capable of measuring up to 1200 volts AC or 1700 volts DC, making it perfectly suited for accurate voltage measurements. Together, these recorders provide an efficient way to detect recurring problems, record the current and voltage required for proper system operation, and help you confirm performance over time. Whether you're working on single-phase or 2-phase systems, or monitoring AC and DC values depending on the model, the L400 series makes it simple to capture the data you need right where it happens. Each recorder features a large 8 GB internal memory, capable of storing extensive measurements over long periods of time. Data is recorded at 1 sample per second with aggregation intervals selectable from 1 to 60 minutes. Every measurement is automatically time-stamped, making data review and analysis straightforward later on. With IP54 protection, a wide operating temperature range, and built-in magnets for mounting near your workspace, the L400 series is built to last the tough environments you may be working in, and keep working. Now, let's take a closer look at what sets each of these models apart. The L411 uses a captive MiniFlex AC current sensor for quick setup and reliable measurements up to 3000 amps AC. It's ideal for when you're monitoring feeders, lines, and electrical circuits, especially where compact size and simplicity matter. The L412 supports 2 current channels, allowing you to record and compare a single-phase or 2-phase electrical network. It's compatible with multiple types of current sensors with the proprietary AEMC Instruments 4-pin connector, including the versatile MiniFlex sensor, giving you even more flexibility when things can get a little tight. The L461 focuses on voltage measurement, handling up to 1200 volts AC or 1700 volts DC with Cat 3 safety, making it an ideal solution for long-term monitoring of solar installations. No matter the model, every L400 series recorder offers modern communication options that keep your data within reach wherever you are. These current loggers operate over very long periods if required, have measurement storage, and are very simple to set up. For ease of data access, the L400 series supports both USB and Wi-Fi connectivity. Wi-Fi operation includes 2 modes: connection through a local Wi-Fi network or direct connection to a PC or smartphone. Using the embedded web server, you can view real-time measurements, configure the device, and record trends directly through a web browser on Android or iOS devices. For even greater flexibility, DataView Sync allows secure data access from virtually anywhere. All 3 loggers are fully compatible with DataView software for data transfer, setup, analysis, and creating clear, exportable reports. You can fully configure your measurements, including current sensor ranges, acquisition period settings, and password-protected access. Recorded measurements can be reviewed as graphs or tables, exported to Excel, or monitored in real time when logging is in progress. From installation and commissioning to troubleshooting and preventative maintenance, the L400 series delivers a dependable way for you to capture and analyze electrical parameters in the field while generating reports. Each logger is designed for ease of use, compact, battery-powered, and equipped with a clear LCD display, ready to record wherever it's needed. With automatic sensor recognition, wide measurement ranges, and robust safety ratings up to 600 volts Cat 4 and 1000 volts Cat 3, the L400 series meets any demands your diagnosis requires. Want to stay up to date on the latest solutions for your electrical testing and troubleshooting? Subscribe to AEMC Instruments YouTube channel for more helpful videos and product updates so you don't miss out. Visit AEMC.com to learn more about the L400 series and reach out to our tech support team if you have any questions about the right L400 model for your work. Measure up with AEMC instruments.